gear is for starting. Second gear is for speeding up. Third gear is for overtaking. Fourth gear is for constant speed. Fifth gear is for high speed. Our gear is for reverse. I'm Brother Tom. Follow me to learn more car knowledge. 0 kilometers per hour. Put in first gear. 20 kilometers per hour. Put in second gear. 35 kilometers per hour. Put in third gear. 50 kilometers per hour. Put in fourth gear. 80 kilometers per hour. Put in fifth gear. Follow me to learn more car knowledge. Park ahead. Third gear down, second gear. Keep going. Get ready to stop. Step on the brake and clutch. Put in neutral. Stop. Put in first gear. Release the clutch and step on the accelerator. Start.
I don't care.
Waiting for pedestrians to pass by.
Let's destroy your fucking home.
Put in second gear. Step on the gas pedal.
Stop me.
Put in third gear. Step on the gas pedal. Red light. Step on the brakes and put in neutral. Good luck. Put in first gear. Release the clutch and step on the accelerator. Start. Put in second gear. Step on the gas pedal. Follow me for more car videos.